Guys, welcome back again. So now it is time for Azure of the 100 days o'clock. So today is day 36. So here the lab title is Managing Storage Lifecycle in Azure. So okay, let's go. So for Azure lab, I think we're gonna have to wait around 2 minutes for this loading process. Sometimes things are not clear right away. That's where you need to be patient and persevere and see where things lead.
Persevere.
Yeah, persevere. Yeah, that's true. We need to be patient and persevere. I like this code. Anyway, let me copy. Okay, great. Wait, oh, this is from previous lab. Okay. So we will read the given instruction. Great, alright. So here the Natalia's Dev Austin needs to optimize data retention caused by automating the deletion of old blocks. So they plan to implement blob cycle management for a specific container in Azure Storage. So we have to create a storage account. Name is here xfusion STOR 6441 and set the region is East US. And here locally redundant storage LRS. And then we have to create blob container and we have to upload a file. And name is temp5.txt to the container, and the file is present under the root of the client host. And the configure blob cycle management, we have to apply a lifecycle management rule. Name is xfusion-del-rule rule. And to this container, okay, to delete blocks after 7 days or less modifications. So validation. Finally, we had to do validation, verifying that the lifecycle management rule name is correctly applied. All right, so first of all, let me create a storage account. Okay, so I will copy this whole sentence. All right, so I will copy this command. So we need to get the resource group name. So resource group name is kind story version. I don't need this. I will remove this. So resource group name we can get from here is that group list. Okay, I will replace the resource group name. Oh, great. So here I will remove this and I will. So we create the storage account. So SKU type is standard LRS. So location is US. And we're gonna create a blob container right now. So I will find it in this. Okay, I will find a new tab. So I will run this. But we need to replace with the account name. So storage account name is what is that? So storage account name is right here. Okay, great. So let me create a new blob container. And then I will find the Google again using these commands. So container name is right here. xfusion container. So when you find the Google, you can directly add right there. Okay. It's not for Docker. It's for Azure. So we have to run this command. Okay, account key is, we don't need account key. Okay, let me run without using account key. So account name is here account name is this, so I will replace right here. Okay, so file name is temp-file.txt, that's located within this directory, and container name is that one. Okay, great. So let me copy this command and let me run this. I think it will be okay. Yeah, so we successfully upload a file to that container. So finally we have to configure the Blob Lifecycle Management. So I will whole copy this whole sentence and I will find it Google again. So here is first of all, okay, this is not clarified, so let me from the CentOS terminal. Let me find like this. Okay, so first of all, let me create that policy. So policy.json file, and then okay. So I will create with the Vim editor. Okay, within this policy file, I will copy all of these codes right here. So I will paste. So let me check it again. Here, enable is true. So rule name is here xfusion-del-rule, right? That's correct, right? Here. So container name is this. So the type is lifecycle, and definition here filter is block types. Okay, block, right? So here is a container name. So we have to get the correct container name, and here we're gonna delete this after modification greater than 7. So after 7 days of last modification, so we will delete every single block, right? So we get so everything's correct right here. So I mean escape it and W2, save it. So now we have to run this command to apply the lifecycle policy. So okay, so resource group name is, we need to give that resource group name. So what is the resource group name? So right here, resource group name is this one, and then we need to give the correct account name. Account name is right here. Okay, I copied the account name and I will replace right here. So now we will run this command. We're gonna deploy the policy to our Azure account, you know. So okay, let me run this. All right. So let me verify this last step for the last step. Okay, let me check it out. So from the, if we did it correctly, I think we don't even need to do verification, you know, for Azure. Okay, so let me run this again. So resource group name is this. Resource group name is the same. Alright, so I will replace the resource group name. Account name is also here. So I get account name, and then I will replace right here. Okay, let me run this. Just for verifications. Yeah, here, so it is true, enable, and lifecycle management, Blob Lifecycle Management rule name is here, xfusion-del-rule. So okay, so we successfully complete for every single step. So finally we can check it out, check and click confirm. I hope it will be successful because we did everything correctly, step by step right here. Yeah, so that's it. So I want to tell you again, if I can do it, you can also do it too. You can approach different ways to complete this challenge. You can use Azure Portal. If you really keen on using Azure CLI, it's your choice. So, but when you're trying to complete the challenge, you can break that big problem into smaller ones, and then you can try the best approach to complete every single step, you know. So finally you did it, right? So okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next coming video. That's it.